Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve minimum number of deletions to get the longest palindromic subsequence out of a string. Okay, we are given a string of length and we have to make this string to longest palindromic subsequence, and we have to return how many number of deletions characters should be deleted from this string in order to make this input string palindromic. Okay, so for this string one example, you can see there is a b c b d a. If we delete what e second character and second last d, then it will be abcba, which will be a palindrome. Cool. Similarly, in example 2, you have aba and it appears to be palindromic on itself. And I mean, there is no need to delete any character, hence we do not delete it and we return 0. Okay. But how do we know what we should delete? See, I'm also not sure what should we do, but I know one thing, that how to get length of longest palindromic subsequence out of a given string, and I will do that. And at the end, I will just subtract the result length of longest palindromic subsequence in this given string to the length of this particular string. Okay, I will get my answer. Let's see how we do. So first of all, I will create a function which will return me longest common substring, or longest common, let's say longest palindromic subsequence, and I have s1 s2, then x and y. But before we start this, I mean, we are given only one string. How can we solve it for two string? But we know one thing: longest common substring returns in the same order. No, the order remains in the longest common substring, but we are here given here one string. What if we reverse this string and pass this string as a second string? In that case, it will hold the order of occurrence of characters, and it will result as longest palindromic subsequence. You may have watched my other video. If you have not, I will request you to go dash that watch that video. That will help you to understand how to calculate the length of longest palindromic subsequence. Although we are going to solve in this question also. So first I will create this function longest palindromic subsequence. I'll create a dp 0 for and initialize with 0, and that's what we do. And yeah, after initializing the dp, begin with first row and not the zeroth row. And I hope you maybe understand able to understand why I'm starting with first row and not the zeroth row. Because if length of either of the string is 0, then there will be nothing common, hence nothing in longest common subsequence, longest palindromic subsequence, henceforth. Now if we check to the last character, if the last character of both the strings is equal, if it is, then our dp will store one addition to previous row and previous column diagonally. Okay, if that's not the case, then our dp will store maximum of two values. First, we will take first string entirely, and we will remove the last character of the second string, or we can take first string except its last character and second string entirely. This will yield us for the cases when the last character of both the string is not equal, not same. After we have calculated, will just return the last cell, which will hold the maximum value, longest common subsequence, longest palindromic subsequence in this case, because we are taking same string but in reverse directions. Okay, now I will store LPS length, which will be our LPS, and input is str. Second input will be reverse of this given string. Okay, and x and y will be both same for both the x and y, because we are having only one string, and we'll just return n, which is given to us, to this LPS, not LPS length. And let me submit it for you. I hope it does the job. It should do the job, except minor error. Let's see. Yeah, it does the job. Yeah, it does the job. It just compiler taking some time. Otherwise, it's DB and it's not that time taking. Okay, yeah, it did the job. Though it's taking some time for space, and also time taking is a bit higher. It should not be that high, but it does the job. And we learned a new concept in DB. Thank you. Have a nice day.